What if I told you there's a motorhome that blends German engineering with pure French luxury? That motorhome is the new Voyageur Heritage LVXH 8.0 CF, also known as the 7.8 CF for the 2026 lineup. A premium A-Class built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz platform, crafted by the French manufacturer Le Voyageur, and designed for travelers who don't just want comfort, they want excellence on every mile of the journey. This is not an ordinary motorhome. It's the result of taking Mercedes engineering, combining it with French craftsmanship, and delivering a touring experience that feels closer to a luxury apartment than anything on wheels. Let's get straight into it. The Le Voyageur Heritage LVXH 8.0 CF is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis with ALDE construction, one of the strongest combinations you can get in the RV world. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter diesel engine producing 170 horsepower, paired with a smooth automatic transmission that makes long-distance cruising effortless. Stability, control, and driving comfort are on another level. Anyone who has driven Mercedes-based A-Class motorhomes knows exactly why this platform is highly praised. It's quiet, powerful, and confident on the road. In terms of size, the LVXH 8.0 CF measures 7.88 meters long, 2.25 meters wide, and 3.10 meters high. With a gross vehicle weight of 4,500 kilograms, it offers stronger road grip and a much more stable drive. This size also means it stays large enough for true luxury living, but compact enough to move comfortably across European roads, city outskirts, and scenic mountain routes. Now, let's go straight inside and explore what this motorhome is really about. The interior immediately welcomes you with a premium, sophisticated feeling. Every surface, every panel, and every corner is crafted with intention. The lighting is warm, the materials are high-end, and the entire space feels modern, airy, and well-balanced. This is where French luxury design really shows itself. The lounge area in the LVXH 8.0 CF is one of its strongest highlights. You get a beautifully arranged front lounge with opposing seating, a large adjustable table, and two rotating captain chairs that blend perfectly into the living space. Whether you're relaxing at a campsite, sharing dinner, or working on a laptop, the comfort level here is exceptional. The seating feels soft yet supportive, the LED atmosphere lighting adds a gentle glow, and the large windows bring in natural light throughout the day. Because this is a true four-berth motorhome, Le Voyageur included an electric drop-down bed above the cab area. It lowers smoothly, feels secure, and is large enough for adults, not just occasional guests. It allows two people to sleep comfortably without converting the lounge, giving you more flexibility during travel. But the main bedroom is even better. At the rear, you get a king-sized island bed, easily one of the most luxurious sleeping setups available in a motorhome this size. The bed is positioned for easy access from both sides, with reading lights, premium side cabinets, wardrobes, and beautifully designed panels surrounding the space. When you lie down here, you don't feel like you're in a motorhome, you feel like you're in a hotel room. The insulation and soundproofing add even more peace, making the bedroom a perfect retreat after long driving days. One of the biggest strengths of the Heritage LVXH 8.0 CF is its winter capability. This motorhome is fully winterized from top to bottom. It comes with an ALDE wet central heating system, one of the finest heating systems in the RV industry. The warmth is soft, even, and silent. No loud blowing fans, no cold corners. Just a smooth, constant temperature throughout the interior. And the heated double floor is a game changer. The double floor not only improves insulation for cold climates, but also adds a massive amount of underfloor storage. All the water tanks and pipes are protected inside this space, preventing freezing even in harsh winter environments. The heated floor creates a warm and comfortable feeling under your feet, especially during cold mornings. Now let's talk about the kitchen. Le Voyageur designed the LVXH 8.0 CF with an ergonomic, premium kitchen layout that feels extremely natural to use. There's a large countertop, a deep sink, high-quality burners, and a big refrigerator that keeps everything at perfect temperature. The storage drawers are soft close, the overhead cabinets feel solid, and the lighting makes the kitchen feel bright and modern. Whether you cook simple meals or more detailed recipes, this kitchen supports it all. The bathroom continues the luxury theme. It's larger than what you normally find in motorhomes of this size. You get a separate shower cabin with a high-quality door, premium fixtures, ventilation, and plenty of space to move comfortably. The sink area includes a modern mirror design, good lighting, and storage pockets for personal items. Everything feels hygienic, clean, and easy to maintain. Let's move to something many travelers care about: storage. Because of the ALDE chassis and double-floor construction, storage is excellent in this model. You get a spacious rear garage, which is perfect for camping chairs, e-bikes, outdoor equipment, or travel accessories. The heated garage means your belongings stay dry and temperature protected during winter. The interior storage is equally impressive. Every corner has been used efficiently, from overhead lockers to deep drawers and bedroom wardrobes. The drop-down bed mechanism also allows space saving during the day while providing comfort at night. Now let's talk technology and driving features. The cockpit is pure Mercedes-Benz, which means you get top-level ergonomics, a digital dashboard, intelligent driver assistance systems, and a smooth automatic gearbox. The steering is light but precise. The visibility is excellent due to the panoramic windshield and elevated seating. This makes long-distance driving relaxing rather than tiring. The 170 horsepower diesel engine provides strong acceleration, quiet cruising, and good fuel efficiency for its class. The ALDE chassis improves stability, reduces body roll, and creates an overall smooth driving experience, especially important when you're traveling with a fully loaded motorhome. Now, something many people ask about: availability and pricing. The Voyageur Heritage LVXH 8.0 CF and the 7.8 CF for the 2026 model year are available through dealerships across the UK and Europe. Notable sellers include IH Motorhomes and Pullinger's Leisure Vehicles. Pricing depends on the year, options, and extras, but as expected from the Heritage lineup, this is a premium investment. Buyers can also add upgrades like solar setups, lithium batteries, upgraded upholstery, entertainment systems, and more. When you look at everything together, the Mercedes-Benz engineering, the ALDE chassis, the winter-ready design, the king-sized bed, the drop-down extra bed, the luxury lounge, the ergonomic kitchen, the spacious bathroom, and the outstanding insulation, this motorhome stands out clearly in its category. This is built for travelers who want a touring experience without giving up the comfort of home. It's for couples, families, long-distance explorers, and anyone who appreciates premium craftsmanship and reliable engineering. The LVXH 8.0 CF is not just about traveling, it's about living well on the road. It brings the durability of German construction and the elegance of French design into one perfectly balanced motorhome. And when you step inside, you immediately understand why the Heritage lineup has such a strong reputation in Europe. The Voyageur Heritage LVXH 8.0 CF delivers a lifestyle, one filled with comfort, peace, independence, and adventure. It allows you to wake up anywhere in the world with hotel-like comfort. It gives you the freedom to travel in every season. And it creates a living space that makes journeys just as enjoyable as the destination. And that's what makes this motorhome truly special. If you found this deep look at the Voyageur Heritage LVXH 8.0 CF helpful, make sure to support the channel so we can keep bringing you the most detailed motorhome reviews. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.